cat? I think that might be Monkey. Let's go see. Because Monkey last time, she didn't let me see it. So let's see. Monkey. Dang it, it's Big Skitty. But still, another Big Skitty update. Still likes smelling the camera. That's Callie. But I'm not going to put her name in the title. She's not our cat, but she just likes to stay there. She used to be our cat, but she moved over to the neighbor's house. Now she moved over here, but she's still with our neighbor's house, our cat, because she goes to our neighbors to eat food, and yeah, and mostly sleep there. I think Monkey's still inside somewhere, but yeah. Hey, there's a bug on me. Yeah. Where's that? Ugh. That was a bug. Nice Big Skitty. Oh, what is that? That's a hose. Yeah, so our garden looks like trash because a deer comes in here and like eats all the crops. It's our pool again. There's a lot of balloons in there. Yeah. Trees that my mom dropped down. I don't know when they're gonna be put up. More trees stuff. Trampoline that we're gonna get a new one because we've had that one for like 4 years now. But yeah, actually like 7 years, 6 or 7. Big Skitty. Monkey might be in my mom's room or Noah's room. I might have to go check. Callie. Hi, Callie. Hi. She's big. She's very big. Her fur, she looks very fat. Well, not really, not that fat, but she looks kind of fat, but she's really not. It's just her fur. Hi. It smells weird outside. Monkey in here? No. Monkey in here? Turn on the lights to see. Yeah, these lights don't work very well. I'll entertain you guys with some. Okay. Did I even turn on my snake light? No, I did not. I need to clean his cage. Yeah. Let's see. I'll go actually see if she's in his bed. Nope. So Monkey is outside. And Louise. Go see Louise. What? Louise? What are you doing in there? Hi, Louise. What you doing? Yeah, she's crazy. Hey.